This is a 2018 BMW 330e iPerformance, and it's for sale here in BMW of Ontario as a certified pre-owned, which means savings. This is a car that combines so much, but for that we have here Elja Blue. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with him. He is the one that is here waiting for you to come here in BMW of Ontario to give you the best deal possible in the market, right?
Absolutely. So our 330e plug-in hybrid has a gas motor combined with an electric motor. Now that gives you a much better fuel economy, so you save a lot more money on gas. But being a BMW with a full gas motor, you have no sacrifice when it comes to performance. Now, as long as you're keeping the car plugged in and you don't drive crazy all the time, you can get up to 70 miles to the gallon on this.
Can you mind that? That is like twice as more of a regular gas power engine, right?
That's more than twice.
Yes. So that is a saving that is gonna be continuing after you buy this vehicle. And there is something very important that you have to remember when you buy this vehicle. This vehicle is a certified pre-owned, and what that means?
It means it comes with an unlimited mile warranty.
That's very important. You can drive this car as much as you want, and you're gonna still be covered under warranty, because most of you are afraid of electric cars because of warranties and problems with electric components, right? But this car has you covered because it has full warranty, right? In
Absolutely.
all the powertrain components, right?
Definitely.
That's very important. Let's go check the back of this BMW and see what we get on this 330e iPerformance.
On the back end of this 330e iPerformance, we're equipped with full LED taillights, a carbon fiber spoiler, and an M Sport exhaust system.
Very impressive, right? This BMW combines all the possible features of every BMW without sacrificing any of the performance. And this car is giving you performance with the ability to save a ton of fuel in the life cycle of this vehicle. And that's something very important. And the look of this BMW, if you look at it, it looks sporty, right?
Definitely.
And this is the kind of car you want to own if you are a car guy. This is the kind of car you want to own, because it doesn't look any different of a regular BMW gas power engine, because it looks sporty. You can remove the badges and nobody will even know that you have a hybrid car.
Exactly.
That's what we want, right? So let's check the interior of this BMW. Let's see how it is compared to other BMW models that are not hybrid. The interior of this BMW 330e iPerformance is nothing different than any BMW 3 Series over the market. The same way, same luxury you get, and the only difference is then, of course, you have an electric engine, which means that as soon as you start the car, you don't have noise at all, you don't have exhaust, nothing. This car pretty much looks like this is not even on, right? That's very important. But if you want that engine, you can just press the gas and the engine comes to life. You can hear that engine. If you want to hear that, that's how you do it. That's the way it gotta be. The option of having electric and an engine and having the ability of changing yourself, right? So tell me, what's your opinion about this BMW?
I personally love this BMW. If I was shopping for another 3 Series, this would be the one I bought.
Nice. I like gas power vehicles. I really like them, but this vehicle combines so much stuff together that it really makes me think that BMW really wants you to don't see hybrid as a term of a boring car. This car combines everything in a perfect way that you don't even tell that this car is a hybrid, right?
Exactly.
And that's one of the most important things, especially for us car guys, then we actually like performance, because we get performance, we get fuel economy, and we get a lot of savings by buying this vehicle. Without all of mine, let's go for a test drive on this BMW and see how this BMW performs over the road. Taking the BMW 330e for a spin, One thing you notice as soon as you start driving this car is that this car is super smooth. Super, you don't feel anything because you have the electric power engine and it doesn't make any type of vibrations. It makes this car very smooth. Getting this massive fuel economy makes this car a really affordable car, because with the amount of money you wanna save on fuel is the same amount of money you can use to do the payments, right?
Exactly.
And you're gonna save so much money with it, and you don't have to worry about warranties. I mean, about maintaining the car, because warranty gonna cover everything for you. And it has power. It has some kind of power. Basically, you don't even feel that this car is a hybrid or electric one. You cannot even tell the difference. So if we float it a little, right now, let's put it on a sport. It is in sport, and we float it a little. Oh, it has that picked up, right?
Definitely.
You don't even tell. This car is good. It has that launch. It has that launch. You don't expect it from a car like this.
Oh, you know, BMW won't disappoint.
It won't be disappointing. You know, like this car is another type of electric car. You can go to Teslas and everything like that, but this car has a lot to offer because you get performance, you get fuel economy, and if you are a car guy like us, you still get the engine, the gas power engine, because for us it's very important. So I guess this car will be good if you have a family or you are a single person and don't want to spend that much money on fuel. This car will be perfect. Tell me, is there any special offers on these cars?
Right now, this car has over $8,000 in discounts, bringing the selling price to $27,000.
Yeah, that's the point. That's the point. And you cannot ask for much with this car because it has a lot of savings already, and plus all the savings you can get with the fuel economy you're gonna get on this car as soon as you start driving it, it's gonna pay off like fast, super fast.
Exactly. The money you save on gas goes straight to the payments. On top of that, you also get rebates.
Oh, that's what we're talking about, rebates, right? That's what we all want, because saving is very important, especially when you are trying to do an investment, because when you buy this car, it's gonna be an investment, because it's gonna be a car that you're gonna keep for a long period of time until you decide to buy a brand new BMW, which you can come again with a JAGUAR, right?
Exactly.
So this is all you need to know about this BMW 330e iPerformance, a vehicle that combines everything in a small package, and with a small price tag, then you cannot refuse. If you come over here to BMW of Ontario, you can just contact JAGUAR and he can give you the best deal possible. Then you will be completely satisfied at the moment of purchase, right?
Guaranteed, if you go to me, you'll get the best deal possible.
Yes, and not only this BMW, you can come for any other question or any other BMW that you're looking for, and he will help you no matter what, right?
Guaranteed.
That's the way. So just come down over here, look for him. They have an amazing inventory, but if hybrid is your option, here you have the one I will actually buy, and you should look for. Performance, fuel economy, and looks are combined in this small package that you cannot even find in other brands. So this is all we have for you. Stay tuned on our channel for more videos about BMW of Ontario, and also JAGUAR over here will be featured on many of those videos to give you the larger amount of information than you need to know about these beautiful BMWs that are for sale here in BMW of Ontario. Any questions? Here is the man. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video.